Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made some good solid progress today. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. In my mind, answer that question all revolves around this point here at 0099. Why is 0099 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic. Sorry about that. My daughter's sitting in my lap right now and she's got a little bit of a cough. So anyways, how do we, how does that logic follow? Well, hopefully we can all agree on logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0099. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, and then actually repeats history. So bounces off it like it's already done a couple of times here, does that, and then starts to head back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying make progress as 0099. What about levels of resistance? At this point in time, it's all about the very famous 200 period simple moving average, which is being denoted by that pink line right there. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into next week. All in all, though, top priority, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So nice way to end the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.